Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a fun photography food challenge with you. The theme of this challenge is cookies. I have some cookies that I bought at the store. I didn't bake them myself, sorry. But I am going to take these cookies that I bought at the store and I'm gonna make them look good. And you know why I think that I'm going to make them look good? Because I am confident in my skills as a photographer and I'll be using natural light from my window, which is even more challenging. But if I can't make them look good, then god damn it, at least I tried. In the meantime, you can go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you liked it, if you didn't like it, you know, do your thing, or whatever the kids are calling it these days. But yeah, let's go and go to the photo shoot. Come on, let's go. Now, I'll be using just a chair that I have. I'll put it close to the window. I don't have a black backdrop either, so I'm just getting right now a hoodie that I put on my own gaming chair for my work. It's what I have to do. But yeah, I'm just putting it over this chair, that way there's some nice background, black background, and it doesn't interfere much with the image. I just went to the kitchen to grab a plate. The color, I think it's important because otherwise it just melts with the background. So I just chose this blue plate that I have with some texture on it. It looks really nice. And then afterwards, well, it's time to go get the cookies. Okay, so there I'm just setting them up and trying to find some ways that I could shoot and put them together, trying to find the best way, the best composition, or the best way that the light can hit these cookies to make them look nice and, you know, easy, so someone can look at them and go, oh, I really want to eat those cookies. And now it's time to start taking some photos. As you'll be able to see in the photos, I took different approaches and different ways that I could do this, and I think I moved them around and I crumbled some of them, so you'll see here what I did there. I'm not a food photography channel, and of course there could be a better job that I could have done with some artificial light on top of the natural light, but I just decided to challenge myself and to take the better photos, or the best photos that I could take, like this, with this natural light, limiting myself. And that's what I came up with. I hope that you maybe find some inspiration of your own if you want to be a food photographer. Overall, I had a blast in this photography challenge, food photography challenge. It was really enjoyable, something that you could do in your own home. You can try it now if you have a camera or even your cell phone. You can do that. You can go ahead and do it right now. Just first finish watching the video and then go ahead and do it. Don't click out yet. Thank you so much for watching this video at this moment. We're reaching the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. But before you do go away, please remember to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, share with your friends, family, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.